Now what we're going to go and do is the bit we never normally do, that I'm going to go and do, but I thought we were doing that because we were doing this. Does that make sense? But now I'm not doing this, we're still doing that. Just going to go and have a little walk round. I have checked the trailer, we're on the right one, so I need to do the legs. Just walking around checking my lights at the minute. All good there. Got to go and put my number plate on. There's a little sequence that I do, but first day back after a week off, and I've walked on the wrong way in the trailer. Great start to the weekly. Stowed away there. Yes, he's on there. Trailer brake, you can see there, it's off. All good. Good morning everyone, how are we? Make sure I'm not putting it in here. No. Put it over here, doesn't appear to be. How are we all? Are we all well? Right, so today you join me on my first day back from my holidays. And we are doing something very unusual that we don't normally do. Yeah, as I say, so forgive me. So we've just hooked up, we've just done the trailer, we've just done our vehicle checks. First day back today from my first ever week off working for Cranley Transport. So if you're wondering what it's like and what I get up to on a daily basis prior to me having a holiday, check out the video that's somewhere around my head now on the left or the right. Probably be links in the description as well. We need to go over to Heathrow empty. We're doing a collection, and then we've got a few more bits coming up after that, which I'll go through a little bit later in the episode, so don't forget, stay tuned for that. And see how we get on with something, as I say, a little bit different. Right, well, that was a load of fun. So, got here to get loaded, only to be told that the freight's not here. It's still in transit, probably in another country. So I was like, okay, so now what we're going to go and do is the bit we never normally do, that I'm going to go and do, but I thought we were doing that because we were doing this. Does that make sense? But now I'm not doing this, we're still doing that, which I don't mind, but it's just something very, very different that we do at Cranley that I'm aware of anyway. So yeah, let's get to it. I will give you a shout when we're near our location to let you know more about the job, what we're doing, and why it's so different. The idea would have been collect here, deliver, collect from the same place to go X, Y and Z. So we're going to go and collect to then go and deliver X, Y and Z, or X and Y. So there you go, 2 deliveries. Another update with the job. As we now know, the job I was doing first has been cancelled. This is my collection. One of 2 collections. I will tell you where we're taking it in a minute. I want to get there first to make sure it's all going to fit. Again, something unusual. So we are now loaded in East London, and again the job's changed, so what was going to be special about it, I'll let you know now. So it was going to be something that we never do. We never do 2 collections in UK, and the other thing we don't do is certainly don't do 2 deliveries. This job, just bear me a minute. No, I'm allowed that way, but it's telling me to go that way. I'm going to go the way I came. So yeah, basically the job entail was collect this morning from ASC in Felham, deliver it to Momart where we've just been, collect 2 jobs from Momart to go into Heathrow and do our 2 deliveries. But it turns out it's now only 1 delivery because they cancelled the other one and done that thing where, oh yeah, that's right, they didn't tell anybody. So yeah, we were left unawares. So a bit crappy, I know. I'm going to go straight on. I'm going to go left here. The drive-through was nice, steady, simple, easy, slow. Anyway, so yeah, so this episode should have been 1 collection delivered, 2 more collections and delivered, all in the UK and in the around the Heathrow airport. We never do that. We never ever do that. So I was absolutely gobsmacked this morning when I saw that, and when I found out that's what I was doing exactly. So it is what it is. The episode's kind of ruined now, but we will make good of the episode. I'm hoping the content you're watching you're liking anyway, but I am working hard to sort of provide you with more. It's difficult because of timings, and what I mean by that is, you know, you all want to see me get up in the morning, hook up to a trailer, all that malarkey. Sometimes you just don't have the time to do it, and I don't mean, oh, you should get up earlier. I don't mean that. I mean, it's just all go. So, you know, rather than take 15-20 minutes to go through everything with you guys as to what I'm doing all the time, sometimes I just can't do it. And there's other times where I've got too much time and I don't want to do it because I'm like, oh, I've got ages and I need to have a size 10 up my arse to kick me into shape. Alright guys, if you liked today's episode, I just want to say a quick thanks for watching. Plenty more where that came from. Yes, there is. So if you liked what you're seeing, please feel free to leave comments below. Leave your comments below. Leave a like. And if you liked it that much, why not just go ahead and press the subscribe button, and it will alert you every time I put a wonderful video out. How about that? Hope you enjoyed the show. See you next week. Bye.